Hi guys, today is Wednesday, and remember we're going ahead and we're doing day 4 today so that you can do your quiz. You'll be able to run your quiz tomorrow. And then remember on Friday we have a very big science test that we've been studying for. I didn't want you to have a quiz and a test on the same day. So, our question, remember, is how do toasters work? Toasters aren't the only appliances that turn electrical energy into heat energy. Electric stoves, electric blankets, irons, and even some cars convert electrical energy into heat energy. We talked about some of those yesterday whenever we were asked to name things that radiate heat. All of these inventions use filament resistors. If you remember, a resistor from yesterday is something that limits the flow of electricity, and resistors get hotter than conductors. They can withstand very high temperatures, these filaments, but sometimes the materials around the filaments cannot. For example, toast left in the toaster too long can turn black or even catch on fire. That's why you should never leave your toaster unattended while you're making toast. So on A hairdryer works similarly to a toaster. Look at the diagram of the hairdryer. Where do you think the filaments are? Click and drag the arrow to show the direction. It says arrow, but I made these squigglies. So the filaments of the hairdryer would actually be right here in the center, and they would connect top to bottom. Okay. Here, this fan is pulling in air from the outside. The fan's rotating, it pulls the air through. It goes through these heated filament resistors. It makes the air hotter, and that's why it comes out hot on the other side. Now, you have these settings, high, medium, and low. If you turn it on low, there's less resistance. If you turn it on middle or high, it's going to have more resistance and cause more heat. There's also sometimes they have a little button that says cold shot or cold. If you click that, it turns those off completely. All right, on the bottom, today some toasters do more than just toast bread. One toaster can print messages from the computer onto your toast. That's pretty cool. Another toast pictures of cartoon characters on the bread. We have a toaster at home that's in the shape of Darth Vader, and it puts Star Wars on our toast. It has the filaments cut that way. Pretty cool. If you can invent a new kind of toaster, what would it do, and describe it below? So here you get to be creative. I want you to come up with something. What kind of toaster would you make? What would it be able to do? Okay. There is no right or wrong answer unless you're just completely off base. You're going to make a toaster that flies through outer space. That's a little bit much. So I'm excited to read your answers to this. If you have any questions, please let me know.